lustful temptation can be challenging, but it is possible with dedication and self-awareness. Here are several strategies that may help. 1. Understand the root of lust. Lust is often a natural human desire, but it can become problematic when it distracts from personal goals, relationships, or spiritual growth. It may stem from feelings of loneliness, insecurity, or a need for control or validation. Identifying why you feel this way can help you address the underlying cause. 2. Mindfulness and self-awareness. Becoming aware of your thoughts, feelings, and triggers is essential. When you feel lustful thoughts arise, try to pause and reflect on them before acting. Practicing mindfulness helps you separate yourself from automatic reactions and gives you the space to make healthier choices. 3. Replace lustful thoughts with positive actions. When you recognize lustful thoughts, redirect your energy into something productive. This might include exercise. A physical outlet can help burn off excess energy. Meditation or prayer. Spiritual practices can offer strength and focus. Engaging in a hobby or interest. Distracting your mind with something fulfilling. 4. Set boundaries and avoid triggers. Identify specific situations, places, or people that trigger lustful desires and set boundaries to avoid them. For example, avoid pornography or sexually explicit content. Avoid social media or online environments that promote sexualized material. Stay away from situations where you feel tempted to act impulsively, e.g., parties or environments that foster temptation. 5. Develop healthy relationships. Building strong emotional and relational connections that are not based on physical attraction can help redirect your focus. If you're in a romantic relationship, prioritize intimacy that is grounded in emotional and mental connection rather than just physical desire. 6. Seek support. Talking to someone you trust, such as a mentor, counselor, or a therapist, can provide value.